Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy balloon pony or balloon horse, and we're just going to be using two 260 balloons. For your balloon pony, twist off a bubble that is about 4 fingers, okay? And then make a very small loop, okay, of about 3 fingers and twist, okay? That's what you've got. Make another loop to match this one. You might want to give your balloon a little bit of a squeeze. So make another small bubble, small loop, sorry. So to match, that's what you've got. And we want to make a long neck for our horse. So a bubble of about 4 inches. Hold on to this as you make the next sections of the balloon, otherwise the sculpture will unravel. And then make a bubble of about 3 inches, that's about 5 of my fingers. And make another bubble to match this one, but you must hold on to this first one and this last one, okay? So make another bubble to match this one. So that's what you've got. Bring the two together and twist them around. Okay, so this is what you've got so far. Give your balloon a squeeze and you'll see now that the balloon is fully inflated. Okay, and we want to twist off another bubble of about 4 fingers and then make another pair of legs to match these. So we want very similar sizes of legs, okay? And then make another bubble to match this one, okay? And then twist the two together. Okay, so that's what you've got. Next, take another 260. I've got a nice long tail. We're not going to use all of this balloon, okay? Take the neck and nozzle, knot and nozzle, and wrap it into the front of the horse's legs here. Wrap that around and just hide the knot in the back here, okay? And we're going to create a series of 4 bubbles. So twist off a bubble that is about 2 fingers, okay? Hold on to this bubble, twist a second bubble that is the same sort of size, a third bubble, again, similar sort of size, and a 4th bubble. Okay, so it's really important that you hold on to this first bubble and the end of your balloon, because if you let go of either end, these bubbles will unravel. Okay, so what we need to do now is just bring this chain of bubbles up towards the horse's ears and then wrap them into the ears. And at this point, once you've wrapped them in, you can let go of these bubbles because they're all nice and secure. So we've got the balloon coming from between the horse's ears. Make sure it's nice and soft because we want to make a very soft loop. So I'm just bending the balloon over and I'm going to make a very soft and very small loop, okay? And I'm just going to twist that around. So this is the little fringe or forelock for our horse, okay? And that's just going to sit on top of the horse's forehead. Okay, and then we're going to make another series of 4 bubbles to go down the other side of the horse's mane. So twist off another bubble of about 2 fingers. Again, hold on to this whilst you twist a second bubble. Similar sort of size. They don't have to be identical. Just close is good enough. So we've got 3 bubbles there and we want 1 more. Okay, so we've got 4 bubbles and we are now going to pull those into the base of the horse's neck. Okay, And that's what you've got at the moment. So we can just adjust the mane just to pull it backwards a little bit. And then we can trim off the rest of this balloon, cut it off or break it off, whichever you prefer. And tie. And cut off the excess. So whilst you're here, I'd be grateful if you would pop that like button. So one thing I like to do is just take hold of this knot and nozzle here and I pull it back and up underneath the chin. I don't wrap it into anything, but doing that just kind of elongates this part of the horse's face, and then I can just trim off the nozzle and tidy up the nose. And there you've got a really quick and easy balloon horse using just two 260s. I'll see you in the next lesson.